Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Infinix Zero 4D. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit on your displays. Like that. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Infinix. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!